Well, hello, my friends. What I wanted to do today was a 2,000-mile review of my Priority 600X. It's a great bike. I'd like to show you just what I like about the bike, so let's take a closer look. So here's the bike after, I would say 2,000 to 2,500 miles. Today, I'm riding up near a reservoir fairly close to my house, and there's this pretty awesome waterfall that I like to take a look at every time I come. So it's a bit cold today, in the mid-30s. I've got my warmest jacket on, and let's go for a bike ride. So let me tell you, my friends, I really love this bike. So far, I've taken it from the Canadian border all the way down to New York City, where I was able to visit the Priority offices. And in fact, I visited Priority twice. And the second time was for a presentation given by the Doozer. And that was quite an event. So my experience riding this bike, I would say it's definitely a purpose-driven bike. It's excellent for bike packing. You can carry a great load on it. And with the Pinion gearbox, you get quite a wide range of gears. In fact, I found out that the lowest gear can get me up any hill, even with my bike fully packed, with a 600% span of gearing. You can compare that to a SRAM 52-tooth cassette that has a 520 span of gears. So the gearing on this bike is exceptional. Not to mention, there's no chain to have to worry about. Let's take a look at a few of the features that I really like about this bike. Obviously, the first is the Pinion gearbox with that extra wide gear ratio. The only maintenance that gearbox needs is once a year or 10,000 miles to change the fluid out to keep it nice and clean. With over 2,000 miles on the bike, the belt looks nice and clean. The only maintenance that I ever do is splash some water on it every now and then. So it's really served me quite well. And the custom-made frame bag made by the Green Guru company really comes in handy. When I'm on a tour, I put everything heavy down in here. My air pump, tools, camera batteries, and things of that nature. I keep things that I need a quick access to in here, along with an Anchor battery pack so that I can keep my Garmin and my phone charged up when I'm on a long tour. I'm certainly getting a lot of mileage out of these tires. They're made by Goodyear. They're 2¼ inch, and both of these tires have at least 2,000, maybe 2,500 miles on them. Really not much wear, as you can see. The front shock absorber is excellent, where I can easily go from road to dirt by just the flick of the switch here. Another thing I really like about this bike is the ease of shifting gears. If you're in a high gear and you come to a stop sign, all you have to do is shift into a lower gear before you take off. And you can't forget about this bell that actually has an air tag inside of it, so that if you misplace your bike or if somebody takes it, you might know where it is, so that you can call the police and they can find it for you. One of my favorite items that I added to the bike is my Infinity bicycle seat, the most comfortable seat in the world. When you sit on this seat, your sit bones go right into these two pockets, giving you a very comfortable ride. And by the way, I am now an Infinity bicycle seat ambassador. I like the seats so much, I tell everyone about them. And Dr. Vince at Infinity even gave me a discount code that's in the description below if you're interested in purchasing one of these. Am I paid to say this? Are they giving me any free seats or anything? No, they're not. It's just the best seat I have ever encountered, and I can't say enough nice things about it. When you're on a long tour, you might be in a remote area where water is hard to come by. So it's good to see that Priority actually put some bosses on the back frame triangle so you can put water bottle cages on. I've got one on each side. Here's the connection points on the frame. I did have to buy some water bottle cage offsets from Wolf Tooth Components because when you mount the water bottle cage, it actually gets too close to the spokes. So the offset bracket that's mounted right down here brings your cage out just enough so that you can put a water bottle in and you won't have any problem with it interfering with the tire or the spokes. The kickstand is something that I really enjoy. When you have a fully loaded bike, you're always either laying it down on the ground or trying to find a tree to lean it up against. But with this kickstand, no problems. I do have one concern about how the kickstand is mounted. It appears that it does loosen up away from the frame, and it could eventually fall off if you're not careful. So what I've done is put Loctite on these two bolts that hold the kickstand on to make sure that it's not going to loosen up and fall off in the middle of nowhere. Aside from the bags that I've added to the bike, I also added a stem riser. As you can see right here, it goes up at about a 45-degree angle. It gives me the ability to have more of an upright ride. I've also added some handholds here that gives you an alternative when you're on a long distance ride for comfort. So you can go from the hand grips down here on the handlebars to up here. For me, that's a must for long days in the saddle. So I believe I was going to tell you things that I liked about the bike and things that I didn't like about the bike. Well, there's nothing that I dislike about this bike. It serves my purposes very well. And it is a purpose-driven bike. It's a good bike for off-roading, for long-distance touring, bike packing. If you're going to have a bike like the Priority 600X, and you're going to go in group rides with your friends that may have road bikes, gravel bikes that are much lighter, you may wish you were on your road bike or your gravel bike because this bike is a little slower. It's about maybe 38 pounds with your tools, air pump, some snacks, some water bottles. Here we have 2¼ inch tires running at about 50 pounds of air. So you may have a hard time keeping up, unless you're like Ryan Van Duzer, who's a world-class athlete and much younger by about 30 years. And like I said, it's a purpose-driven bike. I wouldn't take my road bike on a long-distance tour, and this is the bike for that purpose. Well, enough talk. Let's go ride this thing. Well, that's the end of my ride for today, and I love this bike. I'm so glad that I bought it. Is Priority sponsoring me, or did they give me this bike? No, I wish they had. So what are you going to do this summer? Do you have any plans? Are you going to do RAGBRAI? Are you going to go on any long distance cycling? Or do you just have a goal to get out there and ride around your neighborhood? It's all good. I know in May I'm going to do the Gap Trail and the C&O Canal from Pittsburgh to Washington, D.C. And I'm going to camp most all the way, except for one hotel night in the middle. You got to do laundry. So I'm really looking forward to that and many other adventures that Jan and I have planned for this summer. So stay tuned, have a great day, and as always, happy pedaling.